Hi everyone. So last night I ruined my cake, and this morning I thought why not ruin it some more. So last night I ended up putting a little extra butter, and of course the cake turned out greasy and it didn't rise for some reason, and the entire thing was ruined. But I didn't want to waste it because there's so much of goodness in it. There's lots of nuts and plums and all sorts of things that goes into a plum cake. And of course, for that matter of fact, I don't want to waste any cake, and I know you don't want to. So if you have a cake that is burnt, or you put extra butter or anything like that, don't worry, we can save it. So follow along and save some cakes this year. I hope you like this video, and I hope this video helped you save your cake. So stay tuned for more such videos, more Christmas related videos. And yeah, as always, live life and love life. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.